How to fix Huawei Mate 70 screen won't turn on. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down in last and click on system and updates. And then click on reset and click on reset all settings. And then again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.